been enjoying the content I've been putting up. I've been putting up a lot of it, and I just kind of vlog. I just forget it. You know what I mean, friends? I just go from day to day. But I do spend a bit of time on the old computer. And, which one's that? What'll happen, friends, if you notice if you've got eyes in your boots, you know what I mean, these eyes, if you notice your laces getting a little frayed in one spot, that'll probably be because you, yeah, there we go. If you can see this, you wear your eye out. A lot of people don't know this. And this is why their laces break. You see this? Where is it? Yes, right here, look. See that one right there? See how the break is at the top where it pulls through the lace? So it rests in there. There's another one right there, both of those. So you can turn them around. Do you know what I mean by that? You can actually, you can put your nail on them, or a little screwdriver. I like to use a little screwdriver, of course. I use a little screwdriver for everything. But you can turn them so that they're, yeah, that's hard on the nails. But you can turn them so that they're back around and they're sliding through. God, I got no flexibility back there anymore. Here we go. This will work. There. You can flip them around. There we go. It's coming. Yeah. You just flip them around so that they're on the part where it's not all ripped and torn. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what you do. And then they won't rip your shoes up, your laces up anymore. You see what I'm saying? Okay. Back down to that job. You guys haven't seen any of this job yet. So we'll talk to you in a minute. Well, you probably have by now because I've been going out with a crazy bugger. Friends, I'm just going to put you guys on here a minute so you can kind of see what I'm doing. What my file is doing. You guys have seen it all before, but I mean, this is literally what I do. You've heard me talk about the boat. This is what I need right here, these things. There. So, oh yeah, that's much better. I can see now. You see, so I'll rip the gullet right out of it. Because you got to have a hook in the chain, friends. Then I clean it up. So here we go. You see what I'm doing? Maybe 4 or 5. And then I go like this. There we go. I straighten it out. And I pull the top of the tooth up. And we got her sharp. It's just what I do, friends. This file's been used about 10 times now. I think I'm going to have to swap out here. Oh, there we are. There's some meat. Yeah, here we go. Okay, yeah, here we go. This is the one. You got to have a fresh file, friends. See what I'm doing? I don't care what my file does right there. Because all I'm doing is pulling gullet. And now, there we go. Pull the gullet. Look at the boat. Now the reason I do the boat is because it gets the whole gullet. The outside gullet and the inside gullet. If you were just to go like this, you would only grab the outside gullet. This chain's way down, this one. I think I'm almost done here. You see, so like that. And then I basically straighten out my file and get her sharp up top. Same with this one. This one doesn't have a gullet happening. This has been a hand file chain, residential hand file chain. So they take a beating in resi. And once in a while you got to get on them. Bring them back to life. Okay, so there we go. Everybody has a little different twist of the wrist, right? We should be done. There we are. So we're going to switch sides now. A little bit confined here. I'll move back. Get the power head. So this is my left stroke here. Okay, there's the gullet. We straighten out. Get her sharp. Off to the races. Gullet. And friends, you don't have to do the bolt. Like you don't have to do this. But it's important to get that meat out. So you might want to just go like this. At least do this. Down. Get that gullet out. Then start slowly changing the angle of your file to get the rest of the meat and the gullet and the inside of the gullet. I just get it all like this, that's all. You see? I just go like that. And then it gets it, and then I pull it up here. You see? So there's a little recap on get the gullet. Because this thing here, I mean, it's fine, but I need more pull. I can tell by cutting. And like I say, on a resi job, a resi chain, sometimes you're in a hurry, you gotta whip it back in shape and get cutting. There's our gullet. Good. So I see these people getting fanatic on YouTube and social media about the filing has to be this and it has to be that. No, do you know what it has to do? It has to cut straight in a straight line. That's what it has to do. So I don't care what a guy, I mean, I used to file my chain backwards. I tried that for a while too, and it cut fine. It just doesn't go with my filing style because I file both handed, right? So I just, yeah. It's all about what's comfortable for you. I bet you that if I filed my saw doing this get the gullet bolt thing, and you filed yours, you know, just like how you've been doing it for years, just like this, that our teeth would look exactly the same when we're done. Hopefully you would be getting your gullet, is all I'm saying. You see? So there we go. So this tooth that I last did has got way more of a gullet pulled out of it than this one, because I didn't go like this on this one, so now I will. I'll just give it a couple pulls. There we go. There we are. You guys get the principle. Overnight. So we got, this is interesting grove here. These will come out no problem. They're just laying in there. That's you know what I mean. But this one is not good. It's leaning right to the house. It's got all the snow on there's no limbs on this side where the street's supposed to go. But look at this. Look at, friends. It's got, this snow's freaking heavy right now. Look at, watch the limb. Look how high that goes up. So, I mean, as I start banging, I'll probably bust some off, but I'd like to shoot it out there. But I may have to put a rope in it. So, anyway, I'll shake some of the snow off here. You know what I mean, friend? We'll get rid of some of it. That just went down my neck. I don't like that. Let's do this. Let's cut up this tree. Shall we? They might have to go together. But maybe not. Let's see what we got, friends. Let's get rid of this one. Over to the fire pit. Oh, McCullough. Oh, yeah. You guys on? Yeah, good. Might have to cut this one up with it. But I don't want to do that. It's too messy. So those two were just too bound up, and you can cut. You see, I was down on my hinge wood big time, right? So you cut the thing right off, and it'll twist out sideways and go haywire. So I didn't want to have to cut that back tree up, but it was tied together, go together. That's what we say, and that's our plan. If they're tied together, they go together, and these were tied together. So that's the reason I sent them both. So I'm just going to get at this foliage. You don't need to see that. Over and out. Friends, there's no point in us dilly-dallying around. This is a guy, Justin Testerman. As soon as he came on the channel, he was a star. As soon as he did. There's Jason Gilbert. You're very welcome. Now, Jason Gilbert, another... Friends, the freaking people on this channel are just hitting me from every... You guys are awesome. You're freaking awesome. All is. Let's look at this. What is this? Mr. Jason... Testerman. Justin Testerman. That's right. What a guy. I don't recall. There's so much on the go, friends. But this man, you see him in the comments all the time. Testerman. He's just a great guy. I find myself saying that all the time. What's happening? Well, this channel, the people on this, oh my dear Lord. Oh, whoa. Look at, friends. You guys are so freaking thoughtful. That's a nice husky. Oh, I like that. That is really nice. Now, he's got an axe head. Oh, I'd say, oh my dear Lord. Oh, my. Excuse me, Buck and Billy Ray Smith. Okay, he's got a note here. It's a good one. Well, here's the Sager that okay, yes, Mr. Justin Testerman. Here's the Sager that I emailed you about. Like I said, she's a little beat up, but I'm sure you can figure out something to do with her. I'm enclosing a little trinket in the package as well. I know you are first and foremost a McCullough man, but you do have a little Husky Varnies. Yes, I do, my friend. I love Husky. I'm a Husky man. Production, I'm a Husky man. Justin, if you haven't gone back in the earlier days, go back. There's some awesome falling videos. Straight up falling. 372, just rip roaring, going for it. Timber flying. They're good. I love the channel and all that you stand for, brother. I wish I could support it more, but maybe an old axe head helps a little. Keep putting the positivity out into the world. Much respect, Justin Testerman. Mr. Testerman, buddy, you're... Listen, friends, you people... You support the channel. Everybody supports the channel by doing what you just did, or just even being here watching, commenting. You're a super duper commenter. You support this channel more than you know. Friends, when we got positive commenters in the comment section, people looking out for one another, that's called community. It's huge. This is a bonus. Thank you. Let's have a look at it while we're here. Then I got to get over to my job here. Let's, oh, my goodness. Oh, she's a Sager. Oh, it's actually a good looking axe head, friends. Oh, I like it. Oh, I really like it. Oh, dude, 5-pound Sager. That's not that bad, Justin. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh, Justin, no, buddy. No, this is beautiful, buddy. Sager, see, this is what I'm talking about, Sager. Sager always does that little test. You can see they got that little punch mark. They do that with their axes to test the steel and the softness, because you can see where the temper is, friends, right there? Well, the hit is always behind the temper. They test it. That's what that is, as far as I can tell. This says Sager Chemical Axe right on it. Justin, buddy, I love you. Awesome. I can freaking straighten that out. That is not beat up in my world, buddy. No, that's killer. There's the bottom there. Yeah, you can tell they've been beating her up a little bit there. Sager Chem. I love it. Everybody give Justin a big hoot. Thanks, Justin. See you on the job site. Justin Testerman. Thanks, buddy. That's a gift and a half, pal. That's going to be a crazy axe. Thank you, pal. Look at the size of it, friends. It's a freaking monster. Look at it. I think I better put it downstairs. Oh, looks like we lost something here. We lost our axe head. I gotta make that axe. Isn't that a beauty? That's a gorgeous little axe head. It goes here. It's not pretty at all, but I'm gonna bang it over. And I'm gonna put a back cut in it first and set it up. And I wanna show you guys the process of this. Okay? So here, let's lower you guys down. Let's drop this down and see if you guys can't watch this process here. Okay, let's put an undercut in it. Let's watch. Here we go. Let's take a look. Here we go. Friends, we're cut up. That's good enough. That's these suckers they don't work that good. I'll be honest, they just don't. I got lots of room here though. Let's see, maybe I'll come in from here. Nope, see? There she goes, friends. There we go. There she goes, friends. There we go. Okay, so you saw that, eh, friends? You guys did too, didn't you? Good. That was a major, major lift. And those yellow things, they do not stack worth beans unless you've got one completely sunk. And then it might. So there it is, straight off the back lean. Right off the lean. There we go. And there's the holding wood. You see? About a little over a third. Okay? Time for more fire. So I realized my 394 was the throttle cable, and inside the carb wasn't going all back. It was kind of screwing things up. So we got her under the wrap a little better, friends. And I got a full house grind, but I didn't touch the rakers. I had a feeling it would be okay. Let's see how it cuts. I got to buck some 14 footers here. Get ready for some fun. This thing's gonna cut. I can tell already, just from that little slivery thing I just done there. Check this out, friends. Come on, baby, right here. Give it to me. love this power saw. Freaking love it. Watching this garbage of mine? She cuts. She cuts. She cuts, eh? It's cutting really nice. Just rips. I love this power saw. Love it. Well, day 2. I probably got a lot of footage on this freaking SD card. I'll bet. But this is day 2, and the light is in, and I've talked them into. I mean, it just you know what I mean. When you cut trees out of a grove, when trees are in a grove, like say that, or this, or that. When you cut trees out of a grove, like this was a monster tree. It was right there. You guys saw what I did with that. I used that one to pull this one out. It was leaning. Hard back. It's a grove of trees. So what happens is they all splay away from each other. There's no limbs on the back side of this thing till you hit right up into the very crown. Same as this one. Not one freaking limb on it until right at the very, very, very top. It's all this way. Great big huge bones on it, which tells you it had been broken at the top at one point or something's happened to it. So we're getting rid of it. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it. Okay? I'm going to use this tree. I'm going to climb it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do like a poor man come along. I'm going to put a rope in this one, a nice little 1/2-inch rope, something nice and malleable that I can get a real good. Put an eye in the middle, in between the two trees. You know what I mean? Like right in the middle. And I'm going to do a poor man come along, and I'm going to suck them together, tie them off, and then I'm going to fall this tree. Not fall it, but I'm going to press it. I'm going to get it going. The line is going to tighten up, friends. Going to tighten up, and it's going to start pulling on this thing.
I mean, look at the freaking lean on it, and look at the bones. Oh, I mean, you're not banging that over. I mean, we got hydro lines and houses and everything back there. I mean, okay, I could climb it and strip limbs off and hang a rope and pull it out there with a pickup or something. I could do that. I could do that. But I'm gonna freaking do what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go right up nice and high, probably 60 feet, and get this moving, and get it moving and pulling on this tree. But what'll happen, I can almost guarantee what'll happen, unless I really get this thing laying into it hard. But you've got to be careful, because if you bust your rope, so anyway, that's my plan. I'll just pull it right over, and I'll back it up with wedges. Over and out, friends. Thanks for watching my videos. I've been working like a nut bar here for the last few days, deking in and out of the snow, and I'm going home. I've done no axe work at all. I've not mailed anything. I've been working steady, so you know what I mean? Okay, so anyhow, that's what it is. Oh, hey, knock it off. I'll see you guys later. Thanks again for watching all my videos and making all those wonderful comments, friends. I sure appreciate it. Be kind to one another in there. All right, over and out.